Reading has a positive effect in one's life and thoughts. Whenever you read a good book, a door of opportunity opens. If reading as a pathway to success isn't enough to get you motivated, consider reading to prevent stress, depression, and enhance confidence, empathy, and decision making. So today in this video, I'll show you the 10 books most successful people have read, and I suggest you read them also so as to change your life today. 1. Mastering by Robert Greene. This book was published in 2012, where he explained not only his own approach to master the craft of writing, but also the path all masters seem to take. To do this, he uses historical and contemporary figures as example, as he often does in his books. In this book, you are going to see the first 3 steps you can take to mastering. 1. Trust your gut to find your discipline to master. 2. Take an apprenticeship and get paid to learn. 3. Once you complete your apprenticeship, challenge everything you learn. One of his popular quotes is, "Become who you are by learning who you are." I suggest every young person between 18 to 30 should read this book to enable them in choosing their career path and debating between interest and money. 2. Mastering by George Leonard. This is another wonderful book that is a must-read for anyone who is serious about personal development. He maps out the process that is required to master anything, no matter the kind of work you are interested in mastering. Get muscle, get better at sport, get better grades, become more socially successful, or improving in your businesses. Mastering will allow you to see the big picture of what it will take to achieve your goal. If you want to be successful in anything, you really need to engage in the process that George Leonard mapped out. When you understand the path you are going to be walking in, then your path immediately becomes much easier for you. Therefore, I suggest you read 3. Big Magic by Elizabeth Gilbert. This book will provide the courage you need to pursue your creative interests by showing you how to deal with your fears, notice ideas and act on them, and take the stress out of creation. There are 3 great lessons taught in this book, which are: 1. Let your fears coexist with your passions. 2. Give yourself permission to create. 3. Keep your day job to fulfill your creative affair. I know being a student on the surface seems easy, but in practice it is difficult. That's why I suggest that every student read this book to learn how to focus and be creative. One of her popular quotes is, "It seems to me that the less I fight my fear, the less it fights back. If I can relax, fear relaxes too." So I suggest every student should pick this book and read. 4. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. I know you might have heard or read about this book a million times. This book has sold over 32 million copies. This shows how important and demanding it is. In this book, Robert mentioned the importance of paying yourself first each month, and he also said, use your money to acquire assets instead of liabilities. Assets are things that generate money and increases in value over time, while liabilities are things that takes money out of your pocket each month. It's a book written in simple language, an excellent book for understanding on how things should go. A book for getting financial knowledge for everyone. Robert says, the main reason that over 90% of the American public struggles financially is because they play not to lose. They don't play to win. I read this book and I loved it, so I suggest you read it. 5. Unlimited Power by Tony Robbins. In this book, you will learn how your brain processes information and how to manipulate that process to your advantage. Tony explains that the best path to success is to find an accomplished person, discover his or her strategies for becoming successful, and duplicate that process. One of the great lessons this book taught is improve your memory and creativity by looking in the right direction. Tony says, a real decision is measured by the fact that you have taken a new action. If there is no action, you haven't truly decided. So I suggest every student should pick up this book and read. 6. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. In this book, you will learn on how to achieve anything you want in life, material or non-material. It was originally published in 1937, but today it's still one of the best books you can read to be successful and rich. 2 great lessons this book speaks of is 1. Be stubborn and always stick to your decisions. 2. Join a mastermind group to cut the learning curve. This book is said to have created more millionaires than any other book in history. This book not only teaches about financial miracle, but also examines the psychological power of thought and the brain in the process of furthering your career for both monetary and personal satisfaction. He says that the starting point of all achievement is desire. However, if the desire is strong and you are willing to raise the stakes, you will win. Desire plus ideas plus plans plus massive action results to success. Napoleon Hill says, the starting point of all achievement is desire. Keep this constantly in mind. Weak desire brings weak results, just as small fire makes a small amount of heat. I encourage you all to read this book. It will help you. 7. The Secret to Success by Eric Thomas. This is a short and straight to the point book. In this book, you will learn the journey that the author took from high school dropout to international renowned best-selling author, and it will also enlighten you to the principles that he used to become the person he is today. One of the principles is, don't make a habit of choosing what feels good over what's actually good for you. I think it's a good book. I suggest you read it. 8. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. It was published in 1936. In life, you need a lot of people to get anything you desire or want. No matter what you're doing in life, you need people around you. You need people. This book teaches you the principles to understand people better, become a more likable person, improve relationships, win others over, and influence behavior through leadership. The core idea is you can change others' behavior simply by changing your own. One of the great lessons or principles in this book is you can make a great first impression by just smiling. Dale Carnegie says, it isn't what you have or who you are or where you are or what you are doing that makes you happy or unhappy. It is what you think about it. This book has sold over 30 million copies since its first edition. I encourage you to read this book. Your knowledge is not all you need to be successful. You also need people. 9. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley and William Darko. This book was published in 1996. Here you will learn the characteristics and habits shared by many millionaires. In this book, the authors differentiate wealth and income. They said, income is what you earn, your wealth is what you accumulate. One of the major characteristics of a millionaire mentioned in this book is the millionaires use their time and money efficiently to build wealth. You need to start saving once you start earning. You don't wait till you earn each sum. Start saving now. Thomas says, whatever your income, always live below your means. I encourage you to read this book and see reasons why you need to save now. 10. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. This book is a spiritual self-help guide that will help you discover your true being, release your pain, and helps you find deep inner peace. When we are present in the now, we will respond from deep consciousness and flow with ease and joy in life. This book shows you that every minute you spend worrying about the future or regretting the past is a minute lost, because really all you have to live in is the present, the now. And this gives you actionable strategies to start living every minute as it occurs. One of the great lessons of this book is life is just a series of present moments. As you are living more consciously and being fully present in this moment, you will find your decisions to be better, your relationships will improve, and the sense of peace will return to your life. Read and learn from this book and start living fully in each present moment. Eckhart Tolle says, realize deeply that the present moment is all you have. Make the now the primary focus of your life. I suggest you read this book. Note, this is not a top 10 list, but the list of books I have read and consider necessary for everyone who wants to change his or her life. The major summaries of these books are: 1. Look for someone who is successful and duplicate his or her method. 2. Learn how to save, no matter how little. 3. Learn how to communicate with people. 4. Change your thinking. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Also like and share this video because you might be helping someone.